Hi guys, it's Nikki from Anderson Ford. I was wanting to show you how to hook up your phones to our Sync Connect system. It's one of the really cool things that Ford has. And in this new 2018 Escape, it's really easy to hook up your phone. And when you hook up your phone to Sync Connect, you're able to unlock your car from anywhere. You can start your car from your phone. You can call people hands-free. You can control your radio hands-free and play things like Pandora or Spotify. And if you were in a collision of any kind and you couldn't reach anything to call someone, it has an automatic 911 assist. So it'll call for you and it'll make your front headlights flash and your taillights flash and your horn will honk continuously until somebody comes and basically shut your car off. So we're not going to demonstrate that because they get kind of mad if I wreck the car. But we are going to show you how to hook your phone up today. So the easiest thing to do is once you turn your phone on, it automatically comes to a screen, and you can hit Add Device.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And you want to make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on your phone. So it says right here, Ford Escape, so it found it.
Confirm everything displayed on Sync matches the thing displayed on your device.
And it talks you through this. It's got voice guides, so it'll tell you to make sure that everything is the same. And you hit pair on your phone, and you hit yes on your car.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing mode for change.
So it'll automatically set up whether or not to download your contacts so that you don't have to flip through here. You can tell it to call mom or call whoever. So we've got that on to go ahead and download contacts, and 911 assist. That's the thing where it'll call for you if you can't get to the controls. So we're going to turn that on. And if you're not sure what they are, you can hit the information button and it'll just describe exactly what it does. So just like I told you, this one calls 911 for you. And you can it'll explain to you how it'll download your contacts. So we're good with that. We've got them both connected. So it's giving me an error. It's wanting to know, it came up on my phone, do I want to allow access? Yes, I do. Now if I hit retry, it takes it a second, but it will allow my phone to be downloaded. So now all my contacts are in here. And that's just asking me to give it the okay in my settings on my phone. Close, so we can go to contacts, and now you can look through and you can see all the contacts are there, and then you can make your calls. You can actually text message from here. You can change your device. You can pull up your navigation, and when we plug it into the USB port, it'll actually pull up my apps, and we'll show you how to do that in another video on one of our Tuesdays. So now we're all hooked up and ready to go. So if you're at home and you're not sure and you're kind of confused, feel free, bring your car in, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out and show you how to work everything.